depths of our oceans, where sunlight fades, powerful and mysterious hunters glide through the water. These are sharks, creatures that have survived millions of years, adapting to every corner of the seas. Yet, they remain largely misunderstood and feared. What do we truly know about these silent guardians of marine life? As we journey into their world, we'll explore the critical role they play and the challenges they now face in the rapidly changing oceans. Selachimorpha. Selachimorpha is derived from a combination of ancient Greek words, selachos, meaning cartilaginous fish, and the suffix morpha. The root selas means light or glow, possibly referencing the phosphorescent qualities of some shark species. The etymology of the word shark is uncertain, but it likely stems from the Dutch word schurk, meaning villain, suggesting a predator. Sharks are a diverse group of fish that have inhabited the oceans for over 400 million years, predating even the dinosaurs. Ancient sharks existed before land vertebrates emerged and before many plant species developed on land. The modern shark species we recognize today have been around for about 100 million years, coexisting with dinosaurs. Evidence of shark-like chondrichthyans dates back to the Ordovician period, approximately 450–420 million years ago, although the earliest recognized shark scales date to the Silurian period, around 420 million years ago. These early sharks looked quite different from those we know today, and their evolution has led to a wide variety of species with diverse sizes, anatomies, habits, and behaviors. Beneath the Selachimorpha superorder, there are 8 extant orders, and over 470 shark species are alive today. Sharks inhabit all seas and generally avoid fresh water, with exceptions like the bull shark and river shark, which can thrive in both environments. Some species prefer shallow coastal regions, while others dwell in deep waters or the open ocean. Though found globally, the highest concentrations of sharks are often in the USA and Australia, particularly in New South Wales, along with regions in the Indian Ocean, Brazil, and as far north as North Carolina. Interestingly, sharks lack vocal cords, which is why they are often referred to as silent killers. Sharks typically weigh between 650 to 2,000 kilograms and measure 5.8 to 7 feet in length. They belong to a group of fish characterized by cartilage skeletons, which are lighter and more flexible than bone. Sharks breathe through gills located on the sides of their bodies. Their skin is usually bluish-gray, providing effective camouflage, while its rough texture due to dermal denticles allows for stealthy movement when hunting. Shark teeth vary by species, but are notable for their ability to be replaced continuously throughout their lives. Additionally, sharks can sense electrical impulses in the water, a crucial tool for hunting. While the classic view of sharks depicts them as solitary hunters, this is true for only a few species. Many sharks live social sedentary lives on the ocean floor and exhibit distinct personalities. All known shark species are either carnivorous, primarily preying on larger marine animals like fish, seals and turtles, or planktivorous, feeding mainly on tiny plankton. Many species are apex predators, meaning they have no natural competitors for food. However, not all sharks are fierce hunters. Species like whale sharks and basking sharks peacefully filter feed on plankton. Carnivorous sharks prefer live prey and often hunt in packs to ensure they consume every bit of larger animals like turtles and dolphins. Remarkably, many species can survive for a month or more without food, showcasing their resilience. Fortunately, they are skilled hunters and typically have a wide range of prey available. Contrary to popular belief, larger sharks are not without predators. They can be preyed upon by other sharks, orcas, and sperm whales, the latter being apex predators that can hunt even the largest sharks. In 2008, it was estimated that nearly 100 million sharks were killed by humans annually due to commercial and recreational fishing. Shark culling negatively impacts the marine ecosystem, and other threats include habitat alteration, coastal development, pollution, and the effects of fisheries on seabed habitats and prey species. Sharks lack cone cells in their eyes, which means they cannot perceive color, but they possess highly developed senses of smell. They can detect blood concentrations as low as 1 part per million and can sense it from over half a kilometer away. Some sharks have specialized organs that help locate prey by measuring amino acids in the water. A translucent third eye is thought to regulate reproductive activity in some species. In general, sharks swim at an average speed of 8 kilometers per hour, but they can reach speeds of up to 19 kilometers per hour when feeding or attacking. A common myth is that sharks are immune to disease and cancer. But this is not scientifically supported. Sharks can and do develop cancer and are susceptible to various diseases and parasites. Sharks tend to be more active at night, allowing them to hunt more effectively. While many species are solitary, some become more sociable during mating seasons. Sharks display 3 ways to bear their young, varying by species: oviparity, viviparity, and ovoviviparity. They typically reach sexual maturity between 9 and 15 years of age. The most common is that they give birth to 1 or even 2 young. One of the main characteristics of the shark in terms of its way of reproducing is the fact that, depending on its species, They have different ways of reproduction since they commonly give birth to their young in a viviparous way, which indicates that they conceive to a fully formed little newborn shark. However, these can give birth in an oviparous way, that is with eggs, or in an ovoviviparous way, which tells us that first an egg will form which will hatch inside the mother's womb, and that is where it will develop before being able to leave. Some species may even consume their siblings before they are born. Most species give birth to 1 or 2 pups, though this varies by species. The lifespan of sharks is generally about 20 to 30 years. Overfishing has led to a staggering 71% decline in oceanic sharks and rays over the past 50 years. Species like the oceanic whitetip, scalloped hammerhead, and great hammerhead are now classified as critically endangered. Sharks in tropical waters have declined more rapidly than those in temperate zones, with over 1/3 of sharks and rays currently facing the threat of extinction. As we look back on the journey through the world of sharks, it becomes clear that these ancient predators are more than just hunters. They are essential to the health and balance of marine ecosystems. Protecting these remarkable creatures isn't just about saving a species, it's about preserving the ocean's future for generations to come.